Hey guys, and welcome to Overland NZ. You join us in one of the windiest spots in the country. Hopefully you can hear us all good. And Scotty's back, and we're on a bit of an adventure.
Yeah, hey everyone. We're just feeling a bit cooped up at home, so we want to get out and go for a bit of an explore. So we're up here at the wind farms near Tora, and we're going to go and drive the road and go and see if we can explore around White Rock and see if we can find a nice camp.
See how we go, eh?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Well, let's get out of here and find somewhere a little bit calmer and warmer.
All right.
Let's roll.
Thanks to our patrons for help making this possible. Learn more in the description below.
The White Rock's about 2.5 hours out of Wellington, and is one of the kind of 3 or 4 cool pieces of coast along the sort of eastern side of the Lower North Island. It's been a long time since I've been camping, and I'm really looking forward to it. So, good old winter.
The original plan was to try and camp somewhere up the river. After heading up a few little areas, we realised it just wasn't going to work, and it might be time to head out to the beach.
So what we're going to do, we've got the Ozpig over here, and we're going to do a bit of a fry up on that. I've had a chicken butterflied and it's been in brine for a while, so we're going to cook that over charcoal and just crack a couple of beers and it'll be good.
Scotty's on the chicken. I'm going to do some chips and a bit of garlic powder just to add some taste to them that isn't salt. Should be pretty good, hopefully.
With dinner done, it was time to get the Ozpig roaring for a night around camp, or so we thought.
Hopefully you guys can hear me. I've never hit a abandoned camp before, but the wind is insane. And yeah, we both just packed up as everything was taking a bit of a hammering, and it's not gonna be a night of sleep. So, then sunset, we're out of here. It wasn't meant to be this windy. That's all fun and games. We're gonna go find somewhere else to camp because I don't want to spend all night lying here listening to the wind. And out of here. So that's the end of our very random little episode. Chased from camp by the wind. It was still pretty windy at Bucks Road Reserve last night, but far less wind in the beach. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching. You know, we're trying to do something a bit different and focus on camping, and hopefully it was interesting. We'll see. And yeah, we'll catch you next time on Overland and Z. See you later.